Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and I just wanted to give you a little tip. First off, I needed a new coffee cup for my desk because the other one got chipped, and this is the one I chose. It's from Walmart, the Pioneer Woman collection. I think it's really cute. I really love the design, like how it looks, but I also wanted to get a coaster for it. This was actually free from Lowe's. It is one of their wood floorings, and I have to take this off on the back. You go into the wood flooring section and they have samples. Now they do have some that's 25 cents, and they're a lot smaller, same look and everything. But I wanted the larger one, and they said that this one was a free sample, and I really wanted to pay them for it, but they was like, no, this is a free sample that they have. And I got one of these, and I also picked up the darker tone here, and this more woodsy look. Now this one is my favorite one, and I think that it looks great on your desk. And since this is like a tongue and groove thing here, you could just put it on your desk, set your cup on it, and it also serves as a pen holder. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.